close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah. No, I don't wanna waste what's.
So I will be using the ColourPop concealer in medium dark 32, and I'm blending it in. Next, I'm going in with the Lady V blush palette, and I'm using that on my crease. Thereafter, I'm going to use a pink color to just blend out just above my crease, just make it seamless. Next, I'm going in with black color just to intensify the purple on my crease and make it look create like a depth of field on my eyes. Next, for lid, I'll be using this Eye Magic pink shimmery pink color on my lid. I'm just gonna pat it onto my lid and blend it. I'm gonna be using lashes, of course, and I'm gonna line my lash line. Next, I'm going in with mascara on my lashes. This is the NYX Milk pencil, and yeah, for face, I'll be using the Mismetic Moisture Potion as a moisturizer. As you can see, I applied too much, so I waited for it to dry up a bit before I went in with my primer. That I did off camera. So for primer, I'm going to be using the Okonkwo illuminizing face primer, and for foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Superstay foundation in the shade 340 Cappuccino. I'm going to be using my brush to blend it into my skin, you know, all around my forehead, my cheeks, my jawline, and slightly towards my neck. To contour, I'll be using the Black Opal Stick foundation in the shade Carob, and I'm using that same foundation brush to blend it, and you can see that my skin is flawless. For highlights, I'm using the ColourPop concealer again to highlight. You would notice that I'm going in with LA Girl concealer in the shade Fawn, just to make it more woman of color friendly, you know, just to reduce that white cast. And I'm leaving it to dry for a bit before I go in and blend. That I know would make it more full coverage. So I'm using this Spence Cosmetics beauty blender, which by the way is legit bomb. Go get yourself a Spence Cosmetics beauty blender and thank me later. So yeah, I'm just blending out the concealer, making sure it's perfect. And yeah, next I'm going to go in with my Sachi Buttercup powder to set that highlight into place so that it doesn't move. And I'm using my face powder all over my face after I contoured with the Heg & Esther dark powder. And I'm using Lady V blush palette again, the purple color that I used on my crease, and I'm setting my face with the Okonkwo hydrating spray. And for this glow, this blinding glow, this is the 4-color beam Sunray in Sunray 02. So, and this highlighter is what I swear by, so you can buy it and thank me later. I said later. So yeah, I'm just gonna highlight so I can blind all my enemies sharp. And I'm using my powder to make sure that everything is in place and seamless. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel if you haven't already subscribed. And that's the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like it, share it, and subscribe. Bye.